Nothing feels better than this. Nothing feels better.
Welcome back. So, I desperately needed a backdrop. I'm trying to save some coins. Did a little shopping today. Got a couple things. And I came up with a backdrop for under $15. And I just rounded. So first of all, I went to Walmart and got this rolling garment rack. If you can see it. It was like $8.90 something, so we're gonna write $9. So I got this from Walmart for $9. I went to Hobby Lobby, and you know they have the little coupons where you get like 40% off, and some of their fabric is already on sale for like 30% off. But since I'm such a girly girl, I found this pink right here, which is so beautiful. So hopefully it turns out the way I expect it to. And I got 2 yards, which would be the perfect size for this. And I think this was $5.99. It was $5.99 for 2 yards, and then I used my 40% off coupon. And then I went to Dollar Tree and I found some clips. So what we're gonna do is install this bad boy. Put this bad boy together. It says no tools required. So I don't know how long it's gonna take me to put it together, but let go. I had to get hubby to help me. This must have been a return or something, because all the pieces aren't even here. I am so mad. But like, I know the box was bent a little bit. Well, actually they only had 3 boxes left and all the boxes was bent. So anyway, he had to hammer it one side so it can stick in. And I really want to put this up today, but I only have one C, one part of C, and 2 A's. So we're gonna see how we can do it with this. I have no idea. Maybe I don't need an extender. Maybe I can just snap it, because I'm only using this part anyway. So you just go on. No, I guess it really don't even matter, because I'm not using it for a real close hanger anyway. It's just I'm just using it for. It's crazy. just use it for my backdrop, so I would like to complain. Bam! So I guess we're gonna leave this part off because I'm missing one. It does have the wheels to give a little bit of height to it and make it roll. So we're just gonna add the wheels on. And now that I have my rolling garment rack assembled, I just had to skip all through this. I mean, the assembly was pretty easy, but I don't know if this was return and some of the pieces was missing. It was like the extra end piece to hang over, but since I'm not using it for a real garment rack, I guess it really don't matter. I don't need the extender. So anyway, it really only took like 5 minutes, probably, yeah, 5 minutes to put together after after hubby had to knock it because it was bent. The piece was bent and it was terrible. Anyway, I'm not saying y'all was gonna be like that, but so I got this. I'm gonna turn it this way so you guys can see it. And then I have my fabric. From Hobby Lobby. All right, can you hold this? I didn't get the big clamps, but I can clamp it in the back. So just hold it while I try to clamp it in the back. It's probably gonna be a little pinch, won't it? Oh, look. All right, I'm gonna show y'all my back because I didn't get the bigger clips that can go over it, but this is even better because I can just clip it in the back. And like I said, you can get any fabric that you want. You wanna make sure you get at least 2 yards of fabric so it'll fit. I don't know why I'm picking it up, I can just roll it, but I have my carpet down here. So, you remember that little extra piece that I showed you at somewhere in the middle of the video? That my box was missing one of them. So I only had one part C, which is the extender. You do need the extender to have the full width of it, the backdrop that you need. The one I got is pretty thin material, but you really can't see through it, I don't think. But anyway, you can get whichever, yeah, you can see through it a little bit. They did have thicker ones, but I really like this. I really want this one. And we'll just kind of move that in that frame there. Well, hold on. Okay, so I really love this. Okay, that's how we're gonna go. Let me get over right here. So yeah, this is my $15. I'm actually rounding because it's under $15 for my backdrop. I went to Walmart. So $5 for my fabric with my 40% off discount. The rolling garment rack was $8 and some change, so we're gonna say $9. And then this was $1. So yeah, $15. So I hope you guys liked it. Y'all can see me with my backdrop. And how I'm always dancing with no music. Alright guys, thank you for tuning to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and join the family. TTYL, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Nothing feels better than it. Nothing feels